Happy Monday, I'm meteorologist Diane Phillips, and we are in cloudy season at this point. Overcast skies is what we're working with on our Monday, and not a lot of changes into the forecast as far as the cloud cover. You'll find cloudy conditions to start the week, so at least it's dry. Makes it a little bit easier to get in the swing of things after a weekend, but we're watching our next storm to roll in, and we will have that Wednesday and Thursday, so the clouds will soon be carrying some rainfall with them. And once we have enough cold air and the wet clouds, we're going to be looking at some snow showers into the forecast before the week is up, but I'm hoping to keep the weekend dry, even if we do have quite a bit of cloud cover to go with it. Now, what we're looking at here on our national radar and satellite, you are going to find that it's pretty quiet here at home. A little bit of lake effect off the lakes, just a few flurries towards the Cleveland area, but that's as close as we are going to get as far as some precipitation. You'll find a little moisture, of course, around Florida. That's pretty common, but really where I'm keeping a lot of my attention is further west. You're going to find a system that's, well, not very organized right now. We have some snow, we have some rain, and well, it needs to go through cyclogenesis, meaning creating the storm, and we're going to be monitoring that energy though, and once it takes shape, that's going to be impacting our local forecast, because you're going to find here on the hour by hour that this system, right as what I was keeping an eye to, that's going to move here through the central plains, grab a little bit of moisture from the Gulf, and then it's going to start to move closer. So here we are Wednesday morning. Here at home, we are going to start to see some of that rainfall. Now, also, you're probably going to start to hear maybe some family, friends, or on social media of this snow further north. That's going to be dropping quite a bit of snow through the central plains. And this storm also is going to be carrying some stronger, severe storms further south. So we're sandwiched into the middle to where we're just going to be seeing some rain showers here. Now, the energy as the system comes through is really going to jolt out through the southern portion of the Buckeye State through Kentucky. So that'll be the first wave, but that broken energy is going to come back to bring us more rain showers for Thursday. So here we are Thursday morning, and we have a wet start to the day. So this is going to be the front side of the system. And then we have the backside to get through. The center of the storm actually goes north through the UP of Michigan, but we do have chilly weather that's going to be funneling in behind it because low pressure systems, those rotate counterclockwise. So that means that it's going to take the cold air from the north and swing it in around, and that's going to move the chilly conditions in for us as we head into Friday. That also means that as that colder air rides over the lakes, lake effect is going to be possible through Michigan and maybe even spin a couple of flurries into northwest Ohio and southeast Michigan. And now temperatures, because of the cloud cover that we have today, though the clouds today are not carrying any precipitation, they are holding our temperatures back though. A lot of our readings are sitting into the mid, even towards the upper 30s. We will find temperatures close to 40 degrees today, but Napoleon, you can see getting a little bit of an early jump as far as those temperature readings. Now we will have highs around 40 degrees. So that means, we're not gonna have a lot of warming for today under those cloudy skies. But even if we have to have that cooler feeling, our winds, those are gonna be light out of the northeast. So we won't have as much bite in the air as far as running around, maybe doing a little bit of Christmas shopping this afternoon. Now sunset, that's going to be around 5:05, so it's still pretty early, but we are getting to some of the shortest days as far as daylight here for the season, and soon we'll be getting that daylight back. But for now, we just want some sun in this forecast. We don't have a lot of it with cloudy skies today and tomorrow. Temperatures pretty consistent in the lower 40s, overnight lows into the 30s, and then here comes the wet weather. We'll actually see temperatures jump on Thursday to about 47 degrees, but then Friday, here's that chilly air coming in. You'll find temperatures that'll be into the 30s with those snow showers, and then your weekend, thankfully both days are looking dry, but they will be chilly. Temperatures will be right around freezing. We'll be watching early next week for our next system to move in, bringing us some snowfall. But temperatures really don't rebound. We're going to hold steady there in the low to mid 30s. And that means, though, a little bit of a cooler trend as we head towards Christmas. So we'll see if maybe, just maybe this year, we can squeeze out a white Christmas. Of course, you can keep an eye on those potentials with the WTOL 11 weather app. We'll make sure you stay ahead of every system and even eyeing that December 25th forecast.